Hey guys, it's Courtney. Welcome to a new video. Thank you so much for visiting my channel. On this channel, I talk about how to make money online every single day and the sites and apps that I use to make money every single day as a side hustle. So if you're interested in that, please subscribe, hit the bell notification so you get notified when I drop new videos, which is weekly, usually. And I've got some brand new content for you coming starting next week. So make sure you're subscribed. Today we're going to go over Prizerebel. This is my #1 site. This is the site that I started with at the very beginning to learn how to make money online. I currently have 459 points. That equals to $4.59, and you can cash out at $5. Okay. They're having a survey bonus. The link to sign up for Prizerebel and get a bonus, I think it's like 25 cents, will be in the description box below. If you click that link and sign up, and you subscribe to my YouTube channel, I let you know how you can use this site every single day to make $5 a day. I did it. I know how to do it. I've perfected it. So they do a raffle. You can enter the raffle if you'd like. I never do. My reward goal, you can change your reward goal to whatever you'd like. I always keep it to PayPal. I have 41 more cents until I can cash out. Here's my referral link. It'll be down in the description below. When you sign up, you'll have a referral link as well. You'll see all these surveys that you can do. You can go to offer walls. I watched videos all day today. I just leave them running. And offer walls, earn points while you sleep, refer family and friends. Your surveys, pro surveys to Luna, Innovate, Say So Reward Spectrum, and InBrain. Okay. I will show you the rewards. The rewards library is unbelievable. I love it. Everybody likes the $5 Amazon, the $5 PayPal. You can also go on this sidebar. There is $1 to $5 rewards, Amazon, online games, PayPal, crypto. They even have crypto, Bitcoin, and testimonials. You can scroll through all of these never end. They just keep loading for all different amounts. All right. But what I like to focus on is on PayPal because I can transfer it to my PayPal and then transfer it to my bank to pay bills. If you do not have PayPal, they do have Visa gift cards. So you could do it that way. Earn tab, you can either do surveys or offer walls. If we click on offer walls, I do Ascend Media. That's where I watch my videos. Revenue Universe, AdGate, and Toro X is what I focus on. You can play around with these and see which ones work for you. There are levels. When you sign up, you're bronze. Then you go to silver. Then you go to gold. Then you go to platinum. And then you go to diamond. You never regress from your rankings. Once you're diamond, you stay diamond. Why is that good? Because you get a bonus every first of the month of 3%, I believe it said. Automatic prize processing, 3% bonus at the beginning of the month. Prize discount, anything but PayPal. You get 3% discount and you get 30% off your referrals. So some people say, oh, she only makes money off her referrals. She doesn't do anything. I'm fixing to show you guys. You can sign up referrals, but if those referrals do nothing, you don't get anything. Okay. It says 0 points. Okay. 0 earnings on my referrals. I have 2 referrals that just signed up. They chose to do nothing. They sign up and leave. I had 66 clicks. My videos are getting views, but people are choosing not to sign up, or they sign up and they don't do anything. Okay. You need to use this site every single day. Okay. Here's what I do with my points. Here's how I earn them. Ascend Media. This is from today and yesterday and the 14th and the 14th again. Okay. I watch videos. Okay. I did an AdGate offer for 2 points each. I watch videos. Actually, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 points I got watching videos. I did some more AdGate off, or I said media offers. I come in here and I do some offers when I'm bored. I let videos run majority of the time though. You'll see 49 points, 37.52. I just let videos run. That's what I do. My rewards history, there's none. This year, I've cashed out $5.25. Last year, I cashed out $68.29. My current points is $4.59. I earned 33 points today. I earned 1 point yesterday. I earned $2.43 this month. This year, I've earned $8.21. Lifetime points, I've earned $664.02. I've claimed 115 rewards. I have 119 total referrals, and I've made 0 on referral earnings. So I don't focus on my referrals. That's what the key is, okay? I come in here, if I was gonna try to earn $5, I go and I do your surveys, okay? You go to your surveys. Your daily survey, 77 cents, okay? You take 500 points and you divide 77. I think it's like 3 or 4 surveys a day. I'd come in here and I'd knock that out as soon as I had my morning coffee. If I had something to do, I'd let videos run. Or if I did a survey and I kept getting disqualified, I'd just go to the offer walls and do a couple offers. I never got off this site until I made $5. $5 a day for 5 days is $25. 7 times 5 is $35 a week. Okay? Doesn't seem like a lot, but then you keep building. Then I learned how to make $10 a day. Then I learned how to make $15 a day. Then I started teaching people how they could do it too, and that's when it really took off. So when I first started doing this, I first started doing videos, people were catching on to what I was doing, and I was showing people how to do things, like doing it live, like going to an offer wall and actually doing it live, showing people that they could do it too. And they started signing up and doing it as well. Well, the points started rolling in that year, like rolling in. Like I'd come in and I'd log in, I'd had $15 to cash out, and I didn't do anything. Because I actually show people that you can do this as well. I'm not just doing it so that I do this video so y'all sign up under me and I don't have to do any work. Because I literally go to work and let these videos run in the background to get me money. Okay? They didn't have any that I really wanted to do. They have one for muscle spasms, 46 cents, okay? The cocktail guide, 26 cents. If you view the shopping site, if you view health and beauty, that's another 2 points, okay? So you just do things. You do it because you want to do it, not because other people, you're focusing on other people earning you money. You earn the money. You can go back in my playlist. There's a bunch of sites and apps I use. Like on Eureka, Survey Spin, and Survey Pop. I earn $5 every other day on my own. Okay? If you're not sure what I'm talking about, go to my playlist and search through my videos of Eureka, Survey Spin, and Survey Pop. I will be doing an updated video on those as well soon. I just wanted to let y'all know. So what you're going to do is you're going to do your normal routine on Prizerebel. Get a routine that really works for you. Write down your routine. And then come to YouTube. Start a YouTube channel. We all started at 0. And I want you to show people that they can do that too. Put your referral link in the bottom of the video so people can click on it and sign up. Another tip I'm going to give you. Sign up for TubeBuddy. TUBEBUDDY. Sign up for TubeBuddy, okay? It's gonna help optimize your videos and tell you what people are looking for. If you download Facts, you get 48 points. If you download Evertail, you get 10 cents. If you do My Gym, you get 9 cents. If you do Star Wars, you get 30 cents. You know, like it all adds up, guys. It's not that hard, but I wanted to give you guys the info and the way that I go about this. Next week I'm going to have a new program for you that I use, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Like this, you sign up for Capital One Shopping, you click on it, it'll give you Capital One Shop. It instantly searches for, applies available coupon codes at checkout. Sign up and successfully install the extension to your browser, and you get $3.31 point 50. So it's like $3.32, I think, or $3.31. I don't know how they calculate that, something like that. If you sign up for HBO Max, you get $1.78 back. Okay. Lootup.me, level up and earn rewards. They're giving you $28.05 or $28 or something like that. If you download the Shein app, you get 24 cents, 24.48, which will probably round that up to 25 cents. Word search, you get 4.28 points. You just go through all of these and you do all the offers. Now, I will tell you, some credit and some do not. That's just how that works. You can go to free trials. If you're interested, Everplan, they're going to give you 66 cents. If you're going to sign up for anything, okay? Diabetic recipe guide, 36 cents. It all adds up. It all adds up, and it adds up quicker than you think. So I hope you enjoyed this video. This is called Prizerebel. I will have the link to sign up in the description. Click my link, sign up, get a bonus. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the bell notification so you get notified when I release new videos. Make sure that you stay tuned because we will have new content coming out. I appreciate everybody who has subscribed, liked, and commented on my videos. It helps with the algorithm. Like I said, I have $4.59. I will be cashing out tonight after I watch some more videos. But definitely stay tuned because next week there's going to be a big video drop. Go look at my videos for Eureka, Survey Spin, and Survey Pop. There's referral links for those as well in the descriptions of those videos. I make $5 every other day from those sites. So the sites that I post on this YouTube channel are sites that I use, know, and trust. I hope this video was helpful, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.